ShortMeTina from ShortMeTina.com. I think I'm going to do about 4 video recaps for you. I'm going to try to keep them each under a minute. Let's kick it off with Canada Goose, ticker GOOS. You're looking at a daily chart since the stock IPO'd back in 2017. Now, I've been bullish on ticker GOOS, Canada Goose, for quite some time now. It's been on my swing trading watch list, I want to say, for about 6 months or so now. And essentially, these notations, more or less, is what goes on in my mind when I'm looking at a trade, right? So, obviously here, stock IPO'd, rounding bottom. Here, back in late 2017, when the stock was around $20, was added to list of stocks to succeed in 2018, meaning I was very bullish even in 2017, and folks that were signed up to my premium newsletter were aware of that. Stock broke out, and then we were able to add we were able to add to our already existing position a second entry. Again, you know, you can buy when a stock pulls back. You can add to a position when a stock pulls back, but if you're doing well, you want to add when the stock, you know, is up, averaging up at any rate. So we add a second time around that $38 level, saw the stock shoot up to around 68. Stock pulled back, and even when the stock pulled back, if you go to ShortMeTina.com, hit on swing trading watch list, you'll see that I've said, listen, stock is going to pull back, perfect time to add. Today, boom, we broke out on volume, sitting here at 63, 64. I'm pretty sure in the upcoming weeks we're going to test that high. Pay attention, stay tuned. All right, so we have now ticker BBBY, stock reported earnings. I've done a few videos on Bed Bath, I want to say, for the past few months. I'm not as vocal, but I was very bearish on the stock. Didn't really advocate shorting because I think you can get a better short entry, but definitely bearish considering the pattern. You have a rounding top here, broke that support line of around $25, gap down, went as low as about $16.50. Although we closed at $18.81 today in after hours trading, I think the stock is down something like 14%. We're sitting at $16.17. I'd be cautious shorting there. I'm not saying that there's more downside, but being that the stock is already down 14%, we already broke short-term support. You might just get that like short rally and pop. I wouldn't short the break. I'd wait for the rally, then short that. This stock seems to be over. What do we have next? All right, we have ticker GERN. Nothing has changed. Stock is down today. I'm still bullish. Again, you want to buy the pullbacks. Stock has a very bullish setup in my opinion. I see about $7, a little bit of resistance. Then I think we can get to 8 before any sort of like real substantial resistance come into play. Sitting here at 623. Again, you still have about $2 of upside. You want to buy the pullbacks. I think the stock is going to rally. And we'll round it out again with ticker GLW. Nothing has changed. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know I am bullish. I've remained bullish. Nothing again has changed with the setup. Rounding bottom, volume, gap up, consolidation. You have the long green candle, and the stock looked like it's consolidating above 52-week highs of around 35. We went most recently as high as 36, so sitting here at 35.40, we're not that off of most recent highs. So let it bounce around that 35 area a little bit more, then I think it's going to shoot up to my initial targets, and my range is 40 to 50. So again, sitting here at 35, there's still potential, at least $5 of upside. I think we can get to 50, but at minimum, I see this stock trading at 40 before the year is out. So that's kind of it. ShortMeTina here from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any of these video recaps, two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. I do videos every single day. This ensures that you do not miss one. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always,